young monk approached his Zen master with a burning question. "Master," he asked, "how can I find enlightenment?" The master looked at him thoughtfully, then replied, "Go and listen to the sound of one hand clapping." Confused, the monk pondered his master's words. He wandered the temple grounds, listening carefully to the sounds around him, the rustling of the trees, the chirping of birds, the flowing stream. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't hear the sound of one hand clapping. Days passed, then weeks. The young monk grew frustrated. He returned to his master, admitting, "I cannot hear it. What is the sound of one hand clapping?" The master smiled and said, "When you stop trying to understand everything with your mind and simply experience the present moment as it is, then you will hear the sound of one hand clapping." In that instant, the monk understood. Enlightenment wasn't something to be grasped or solved like a puzzle. It was the silence between thoughts, the space between breaths, the quiet acceptance of the now.